Just going to demonstrate the use of Blue Coat Director to use a profile to bring a brand new box up to the same configuration level as another box. So this is handy when you're introducing new Blue Coats into a pool or at a branch location for a LAN optimization deployment. So I have a configuration on my number 5 device here. It has a simple Visual Policy Manager policy, it has integrated Windows authentication, Blue Coat web filter, a DNS server, and access logging is turned on. So from this box I can create a new profile. I'll just refresh this profile just to make sure that we've got it all fully populated. And we can now see the profile here, which includes some SSL keys, username and password for Blue Coat web filter, services are configured, and Visual Policy Manager policy. I can now select my -20 box, which has no policy at all, and execute the number 5 profile. The system sends a restore defaults command to the unit and then pushes the number 5 policy onto the number 20 box. The IP address and the admin username and password are not changed. Almost every other part of the configuration is essentially wiped. It's now been created. So if I now view the configuration of my number 20 unit, it now has a DNS server, it now has some proxy services set to intercept, it has Blue Coat web filter enabled and Blue Coat web filter username and password installed. Console access timeout is now set at 1 hour, an IWA ROM is created, access logging is on, default policy is allow, and there'll be a rule inside Visual Policy Manager to block Playboy. So my .20 unit is now at the same configuration level as .5. You can manually edit the profile file to remove or add in extra data. This can be handy if you want a baseline from which to start all of your Blue Coats, such as things like DNS, usernames and passwords for web filter, access logging on. Can all be put into a profile and uploaded to a new device.